Hello again, welcome to our channel. Today we are cooking pizza. Well, we are going to make pizza, homemade pizza right from the scratch. Alright?
Okay, alright.
Yes, okay, so let's get started. So we have all the ingredients here. So first of all, we are going to need olive oil to grease the bowl. So this is the bowl that we're going to let the pizza dough rise. So I'm going to grease it. There, it's done. Okay, so we're going to use the Italian pasta flour. It's actually called 00. So it's a very fine milled flour that is used to make flat pizza dough. So I'm going to use this. We need 200 grams of this 00 white flour. Okay, 200 and a little bit. We need instant yeast. We use this brand, instant dry yeast. 7 grams of the dry yeast. Pinch of salt, white salt, just a little bit. Okay, so now we are going to put the flour and the yeast onto a broad or otherwise a big bowl. Make the well in the middle like this. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon mixed with 140 ml of warm water. 140 ml warm water, do it right in the middle and then mix it slowly with the spoon. So you can see that it's now coming together. I'm going to lightly flour this surface. We use the same flour to dust this place on here. So now we're going to work with our hands. So make it into a bowl, and I'm going to put it in the prepared bowl here and spray with a little bit of oil on the top. Cover with the cling film, and we're going to let it sit here for 1 hour. And it should rise to at least double, if not more, double the size of here. It should be more, 2 to 3 times the size. Okay, we'll come back. Now we have to prepare the toppings. All right? Okay. And now we're going to prepare the toppings for the pizza. Roasted yellow paprika. The dough after now is 1 hour and 15 minutes. So it has gone double, slightly more than double.
I think it's more than that.
Yeah, so which is normal. So now we're going to take it out and make into 2 pizzas. So I'm going to cut it in half. So here, now we're going to, this is oil baking paper, so we can make it into the pizza shape. A lot of handwork. Handmade. Handmade, homemade pizza. Handmade.
Certain ingredients here.
Yep. Okay. Okay, so now we're going to add the tomato paste on the base of the pizza. So this is a 70-gram portion, is enough for 2 pizzas. So we're going to do slight variation of the pizza. So here we're going to have 2 of these salami, nice shape. Quite special. Like olives, the pizza is full already. Look. A lot of ingredients, so much that you never get it when you go into a restaurant. So, and then I'm going to add the Parma ham. Then we add some mozzarella. These are small balls, so which is quite good, but we're going to nice. And we're warming the oven now. Yes, so waiting for the oven. So this is pre-baking. That's how it looks.
Looks good.
Looks good. So I'm going to wash my hands, and then I'm going to spray a little bit of olive oil so that the crust can be brown, and then we will prepare the second pizza. Some pepper. Spray some olive oil on the side so that the crust will be nicely brown. Okay, the oven should be heated now, so we're going to put in this pizza tray directly here, and do it for 10 minutes, and we have to turn it. 10 minutes at 230 degrees start. So here we do the second pizza. We're going to do chorizo. This is the second pizza. Pizza is ready. Ooh, looks good. Whoa. Transfer to the plate. Homemade pizza. Yay. This is the result.
Looks good.
Very good. Yum yum.
Yeah.
Homemade pizza.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.